Look at the nonsense! Look at the rubbish you brought to me and you're telling me that you have a surprise for me!
What did she call me now?
My puppy?
For Christ's sake, I have an important meeting with the Commissioner of Works. Why would you lock the door and leave with the key?
He's going nowhere. He's going to be stuck in there.
If I were you, I'll just go to Abuja or Lagos. My cousin is a very sharp, fresh guy. He will handle you well. I must certainly get myself a fresh dude. But before then, I will have to teach my husband that I'm not someone to be toyed with.
You couldn't give your husband food. And now I went to the kitchen to prepare it. You have the mind to sit down here to eat, Uncle.
No, because of you. No, sir. Go food. Are you mad?
It is better you silence your husband before he does so.
I don't just want him to die. I want him to suffer before he dies. When your husband is shouting at you, you will take a go, keep mute until he's done backing before you can spit the water out. If you fail any of these instructions, you will bleed to death.
If you don't want to make your bed, the world gecko will help you do that.
Take your miserable self out of my husband's house.
I'm afraid I'm not here for you. Get out.
What can we do that running Hugo? Are you trying to tell me that nothing can be done? Nothing. You're dead already.
Are you going to give me the money or room to go inside that house and tell your husband the meaning of slow poison?
May thunder from third heaven descend and tear you into shreds. You are very, very stupid.
You think I'm not aware about your plans of absconding with him once you kill your husband? Don't come banging at my door next time. I'm what I am. Don't try it.
I am giving you until tomorrow to come back home. Else, this marriage is over.
You have him on the testicles. Crush it, girl.
I am going to hold it so tight until it gets busted.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.